Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel that is EdTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very important because we are going to discuss four of the important topics that are happening in the IT industry. The first point that we are going to discuss is going to be TCS compensation letters which are released or not. Then we will also discuss about the paid holiday for election or voting at TCS and other companies. We will discuss about layoffs end at TCS and what is the management's stake on this particular thing and what is regarding the hiring policy. Then we will also discuss the most controversial and most trending AI layoff trap, that is a research that was provided by University of Penn researchers. So without wasting any more time, let us move forward. The number one thing that I wanted to discuss with you is regarding the report, the research article that is going viral right now over the internet. It is clearly mentioned that AI is replacing human workforce faster than the economy can absorb them. And they have mentioned this particular trap wherein the consumers, the people who are working in these IT companies or people who are working in the software domain, they will be replaced by AI. And that is the reason the consumption will be reduced. The people will not be having that capacity to buy certain things, and that is the reason there can be a lot of issues. There can be recession also, and all of these things are highlighted in this report. If you want us to make a detailed video about this report, then let us know in the comment section. We will create that video because this is very interesting article if you go and read it also. Okay, now let us move to the second point, that is the TCS compensation letters. As you already know that TCS bands and the IPF rating have already been released. Okay, now a lot of people are able to see the compensation letters, but this is not confirmed yet. Some people are simply putting out on Telegram group, on one of our Telegram group also they mentioned that we have received compensation letter, but that was not the correct news. The actual thing is that by the end of this week you might receive the new compensation letters for the TCS appraisal, and that will be effective from this particular month only. Even if that is not effective from this month, you will be getting the salary in the next month or the next month after that. Okay, so this was the update. The next thing is coming from Vercel. Now you might have already worked with Vercel app and you might have already deployed your applications, your Spring Boot applications, your UI applications, a lot of things, right? Personally, I have also deployed some of my applications because it was free of cost, right? Now what happened with Vercel is that they have disclosed that there was a security incident on Sunday involving unauthorized access to certain internal system. Basically, this happened because of one of the AI tools that the internal company was using, and what the company called a limited subset of the customers are affected. Now you already know that a lot of developers, a lot of people are actually using full-fledged applications or which are hosted on Vercel, and this is causing a major threat to the people's data which is present in with Vercel, right? So the data that is being offered is for almost $2 million. This has been reported, which includes like access key, source code, npm tokens, and git tokens also, which is a big reason to worry for developers. So guys, if you feel that you are having some listed applications, some applications which are hosted using Vercel, and you have a lot of data that is present, then guys, this is going to be a very important thing. Try to remediate this as soon as possible. Try to take it down. This is going to be a humble request from my end, right? Next thing is coming from TCS again and other IT companies also who are having their bases in Tamil Nadu. Okay, now you might already know that Tamil Nadu is hosting the elections. Okay, for the state seats, right? That is the MLA seats on this particular 23rd of April, and that is the reason why TCS has declared that Coimbatore office and Chennai office will be having a holiday on, that is a paid holiday, that is going to be a paid holiday on 23rd of April. So it is going to be very important that if you are a resident of this state, that is Tamil Nadu, then please go and vote and get your right. Okay, and please do vote, guys. This is going to be very important because you are getting a paid holiday also from your current company. This might be the same case with Infosys also and Coimbatore location also, in basically Chennai and Coimbatore location, because they are having their offices set up there. Okay, do let us know in the comment section if you are getting holiday for the elections or not. The next important thing is the, I think this is one of the most important thing. A pain point was that company will be going to lay off again or not. In the next quarter they will be laying off the employees or not. But let me tell you guys that the management has clearly mentioned that the layoffs end at TCS has happened, and coming quarters they will be hiring more and more freshers as well as experienced employees, that is lateral hire. And this is the good news for a lot of people because they want to join this particular company, which is Tata Consultancy Services. Definitely there are a lot of things that are happening with TCS. If you consider it as at the harassment allegations or harassment done by the leads or HR managers on the employees at Nashik campus, or the layoff thing that happened in the last September, or some other things also, like that profits are declining and all those things. But definitely, if they are going to hire more and more employees, then it looks like the AI future might be bright for TCS also. Okay, so with this, I would like to end our today's video. If you feel that this video was helpful, then please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. If not, then you can let us know in the comment section what you liked about it, what you don't like about it, and please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thank you and have a great day ahead. Bye bye.